That's recording?
No, just walk wherever you want.
Alright, well. You can edit afterwards.
Everybody needs to concentrate on all the frames to the hood. Yeah. Take it out of you?
I'll come before I got here. I'm really white.
Well, you can think about it. We ran a 5K this morning. Did both Army and National Guard.
Okay, are you guys all going to go together? All right, whenever you're ready, go for it.
Where you guys want to start?
Step back.
Video or camera?
Trying to do the video part.
I'm doing pictures. You get the video, I'll get the pictures.
See, there's the bumblebee car. Look at the
Hey, think of my neighbors and you'll hit it real good, okay?
You just slammed it right open.
Those teeny tots need to move. Not a good idea.
Hey, if you want some free ones, we'll be glad to do it. I'm broke. So I'll carry you the rest of it. I know what, you work for Sandy? No. I was going to tell you who you want from. Which one? Dave Denlinger.
Telling me what's your name?
Hey, they'll know. Or call him Wiggle Wiggle. Tell him about me. I'll send him a text right now.
One more minute. Who you mad at? Oh, you got more in you than that. You want me to make you mad real quick?
16 seconds.
Yay! Are you tired? Is that a good workout? Where'd Jerry go? He's over there. Yeah, you might want to step back a little bit. He's going to make things come off.
That's the biggest one.
He's going to tear it down, so watch out. Little ones need to move back the other way. He can make that door come off if he wanted to.
Knock the door off.
Take the door off.
Take that door off. Come over here on the other side.
Yeah, he's going to make that door come off. Watch. He can get his little ones to go to the other side.
Back bumper. Storage for you. He's trying to back bumper.
If he swings upward, he can make that chunk come off too. Side swing. Sledgehammer's kind of heavy, aren't they?
That?
I said sledgehammer's kind of heavy, ain't they?
These bastards gave me the biggest one.